Hello, my beloved students. Welcome to the third week of the second term of school. So, students, I'm trying to do this only to explain what you are going to do during this week. Okay, these are the activities that you're going to develop. Uh, we are going to do three different pages in the student book and then the workbook. But you have the workbook, so I'm not going to explain that. I'm going to explain to you what you are going to do in this part. Okay, so this is this week's activities. Our activity is going to be called next week's episode. Okay, and as you can see, something about predictions. Yeah, and these are the topics you can see here. Predictions when you use will, going to, and when you use everyone, someone, no one. We're going to see that later in page number 3. Number 1, you are going to find, oh my god, you're going to listen to some songs, to some audios, and you're going to say, oh my god, this is from a comedy, or this is perfect for a drama, or it is, I don't know, the news, okay? So you're going to select what these themes are related to. Okay, in this one, then you continue and you have here a box of words. Yeah, these are different kinds of TV programs. Yeah, the documentary, news, costume drama. Yeah, and you have to place the title in the correct part. Okay, they give you an example here. Then you continue with a crossword that is related to what you have seen in this part. Yeah, so it is all related to the set point number 2. You're going to find the answers in there. That is all of that page. Then you continue and you're going to listen to an episode of a soap opera. Yeah, it would be a soap opera. Yeah, we call it radio novela in Spanish. I'm not sure in English. Yeah, it's a radio soap, it says. Yeah, it was not soap opera, sorry. A radio soap in which you're going to listen these people. First, you're going to try to recognize them. Then you're going to find here information about them. Then you have to predict what it is going to happen. Then you're going to answer some questions. Typical audios activities. In here, you're going to answer some other questions about what happened, and here you're going to say true or false. Okay, so all of this is only made to set a context in which you can develop the grammar structures, yeah, that you are going to find here. Then in here you're going to find everything with will. Okay, remember that will is for the future. You are going to find here the explanation, you know that, okay, by heart, I'm totally sure. Then you have to re-listen the second audio to answer these questions. Then you are going to complete these sentences with predictions. You have to make predictions. And finally, here you have to make some other examples. And later you're going to see a small explanation of going to. Yeah, so let's see the difference between will and going to. Will is something spontaneous that happened like that. Going to is something planned. Okay, if I say, oh my god, I am going to travel the world when I get 40. Yeah, I don't know, I'm not going to travel the world, but I'm sure that on my in my birthday number 40, I'm going to travel. That's what I have planned. Yeah, at this moment I don't know where, but for sure my objective is that when I get 40 in 2 years, I'm going to be able to travel somewhere. But I need money. I'm going to ask for that to a bank and I'm going to travel. Yeah, you see, it is my plan. I have it uh, planned in the future, for the future. So I am going to travel. At least that's what I want, okay? I don't know. Remember, there was not a pandemic 1 year ago. But okay, I am going to travel is something for the future, something that you planned. Will is something more spontaneous, yeah? For example, I'm walking and I don't know, I'm feel hungry and I say, oh my god, I'm hungry. I will eat an arepa. I will eat a hot dog. Yeah. I didn't plan that. I just was walking and I said, oh my god, I'm hungry. So let's eat something. You see? It is spontaneous. It is just at the moment. You don't have to, you haven't planned it. If you plan it, it is going to. If you don't plan it, but it's spontaneous, it is will. Okay. There are other things that when you use will, for example, when you offer something, cuando ofrece algo. Yeah. For example, just say, oh my god, I don't know. You are doing some next year. You're going to be at university. I hope so. And you say, I find you and you are really suffering in a class. And I said, oh, that's English. You say, yeah, yes, I'm doing some activities. I can say something like, hey, I will help you. Yeah, te ayudo. In the future, I will help you. Te ayudaré. But you see, I'm offering myself to help. That is the use of will. Yep, when it is an offer. Another option is when it is, no, though I had said that in Spanish too, but I liked that. When you say, will you marry me? Yeah, ¿te casarías conmigo? In Spanish, will you marry me? It is because it's an offer that you use will, okay? It is also when you want to promise something, hacer una promesa. For example, oh, I'm going to say the same one because I just don't have anything in my mind, sorry. So, I will always love you, siempre te amaré. You see, it's a promise that I make. Yeah, I will always love you. So, will for something spontaneous, for an offer, or for oh my god, or for a promise. Yeah, going to is for something that is planned. Okay, you can use also will or going to when you are making predictions. Yeah, it all depends on how sure you are. Yeah, if I'm sure that that this pandemic is over next week, next month, I can tell you, hey, we're going to start studying for the ICFES next month at school. Yeah, because I'm totally sure that it's going to be over. But if I'm not sure, if I have doubts, if I feel like, I don't know, I have to say, okay, we will study uh, for the prueba saber exam, and for the saber exam it would be, okay, we would study for the ICFES if we return to school next month. You see, going to is because I'm totally sure. Will is because it is kind of, I'm not that sure. Okay, please just study. I sent you some videos that I found so easy to understand. One in English, one in Spanish, like I do. I always make one in English and uno en español. You see, English, Spanish. I send you both, and after doing this, and finding the difference between will, and going to, you're going to do this exercise that is simple. You have to choose, okay? Then it finishes with this one. Everyone or everybody, exactly the same. No one or nobody, exactly the same. Someone or somebody, guess what? Exactly the same. And anyone and anybody, guess what? Exactly the same. It doesn't happen anything. It's like saying Weimar and Leonardo. Exactly the same. I am the same person if you call me Weimar, Leonardo, or Leo. So there, everyone and everybody is exactly the same. Differences to take into account. Everyone and everybody means todos. It involves all the people, yeah? And it is easy, it's the same in Spanish. Everybody wants to find somebody to love. Okay, it's something like that. Everybody wants to find somebody to love. Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure about the lyrics, sorry. Google the lyrics of Somebody to Love by Queen. Okay, so everybody means todos, very well. Nobody is when there is no person, yeah? When nadie in Spanish, yeah? No problem, everybody always means todos. Nobody always means nadie. So at this moment, there is no problem, is easy. However, the problem comes when when you talk about someone and anyone. Here you have to pay attention. Someone is used only in affirmative, 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 affirmative sentences, okay? Somebody told me that you were cheating on me. Alguien me dijo que tú me estabas engañando. Yeah? That somebody is used in affirmative sentences. Somebody told me. ¿Se dan cuenta? Es afirmativa. Anybody is used when it is a question or it is negative. I haven't met anybody in 4 months, more or less. Yo no he visto a nadie en 4 meses. Yeah? But if you see that anyone was used because it was negative. I haven't era negativo. That's why you use anyone, okay? And it is used in questions because you say, are you dating anybody? ¿Estás dating? How do you say that in Spanish? ¿Estás viendo, saliendo con alguien? Are you dating anybody? Okay? So, anybody or anyone can mean alguien if it is in a question, or cualquiera or nadie if it is negative. So, it is confusing if you try to translate. Only remember, when you want to make an affirmative sentence, you use somebody. When you want to make a negative or a question, you use anybody. Don't bother, more explanations in the other video that is in Spanish, in the video that I sent you, and I think that we have seen that for a long time. So if you have any question, remember that we have a meeting and you can join the meeting and ask me, hey Leonardo, I didn't understand whatever. And everybody can be that, can do that. You see, everybody, todos. I'm so clever. See you. I hope that you have a wonderful week. If you need any explanation, be my guest. You can do it. You can ask me. Love you so much. I hope to see you soon. And see you later, alligator. Bye bye.